Hi, my name is Michelle Lakmani, and I am a Monash student, and I'm trying out this website. I believe it's named Yana. You are not alone. That's a pretty clever name. So, I know I'm a victim. I just want to know the first steps.
You can give any comment.
Mm.
In terms of usability, in terms of the content.
Okay. So overall, I love this transition. I like I like the font style you use. I love it. I like the color. The color scheme is good. I like the transition. It's pretty clean and neat. I'm not much of a fan of the shade over here, but that's a minor thing. That's overall design. Please visit the website. Okay. Statistics. Okay, I like knowing the fact that what's the success rate of outcome if I'm gonna go through a case or something. So I like that. Um, Collaboration. I don't know what is this. What's F? Oh, here, female. Okay, okay, female student sexually assaulted at uni, harassed international students. Okay. Wow, Monash has a pretty high grade. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh my god, I love this. I love the transition. Although the logo is cut. I think you should make the logo smaller so it'll fit the circle.
Yes,
But that's just minor. Monash University has place in detail. Okay, so I love what's in here. It's amazing, but as as a victim or as someone who's a victim, the first thing I want to know is I have like a specific question in mind that I don't want to read a whole lot on what sexual harassment or sexual assault is, because some of them are gray areas, so I don't know if it is or if it's not. So I want to know. So if I want to have like something where I type in my question, or something like you have a similar list of things that you know that a victim struggles to understand if they are a victim or not. So for example, if I type in, but what if I was unclear? What if I said no but I didn't fight? Is it still? Am I still? Like these things, I come in here, it's just information. I don't get that. Or for example, get support. I don't want the first step to be a police. I'm still a student. I want to know what my uni has. I want it to be very accessible. That the first thing I see is, you're a Monash University student. This is what you can do. This is who you could approach here in my university.
We put it here. Click the first one.
It's never too late.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is better. So I never clicked the first one over there. I guess change the never too late to some. Yeah, Monash. Okay, Monash support. I think Monash support. It would be better. Yeah, more support. This is good. Yeah. Cough. I want Caulfield. This is good. I think this is something of your coding, like double bars,
Yeah.
but it's again minor issue. Information nap, that's good.
So click on any point.
Okay, that's good. It's actually pretty good. Security patrols, campus, NGO, legal support. Yeah, I want a legal support, and I'm at Caulfield. But are these covered? As a student, am I covered? I don't know. Like those are the first things that's in my mind, a question in my mind. Like, who do I approach? Who do I talk to? What do I? But yeah, but I like. But after that, if I want to know more, this is a pretty good website, especially with the statistics and maybe something get like, yeah.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much.